take a moment to really look at this home. At first glance, it's simple, but the more you notice the details, the more impressive it becomes. This tiny house is a perfect example of modern minimalist design done right. The clean white exterior gives it a fresh, bright look, while the warm wooden accents add just the right amount of contrast and coziness. And then there are the windows, large, black-framed, and perfectly placed. They bring a bold, modern character to the house while allowing natural light to flood the interior. It instantly makes the home feel more open, more connected to the outside. The structure itself is compact, but it doesn't feel small. Instead, it feels efficient. Every part of the design looks intentional, with no wasted space or unnecessary elements. The slightly raised base adds a subtle architectural touch, giving the house more presence, while also making it feel clean and elevated. What makes this home special is how balanced it feels. It's modern, but not cold, cozy, but not cluttered. It's the kind of place where you can imagine slowing down, enjoying quiet mornings, and living a more peaceful lifestyle. And just outside, there's a small but meaningful feature that adds even more charm. Right here, this cozy outdoor sitting area may be small, but it adds so much to the overall experience of the home. With just a couple of chairs and a simple table, it creates a perfect place to relax. Whether it's your morning coffee, an evening break, or just a quiet moment in fresh air, this space makes it all possible. It also extends the living area beyond the walls, making the home feel more open and breathable despite its compact size. Now, stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by a bright and welcoming space. The TV wall is sleek and minimal, featuring a floating console that keeps everything clean and modern. Right in front of it, a compact sofa creates a comfortable spot to relax. It's simple, functional, and perfectly suited for a home like this. As we move into the kitchen, you'll notice how smart the design really is. This is a very small kitchen, but it's been designed to make the most of every inch. The cabinetry is clean and streamlined, paired with a warm wooden countertop that adds a cozy touch. There's a compact cooktop, a small sink, and just enough workspace to handle everyday cooking. Open shelves provide extra storage while also adding a bit of personality. And with good lighting and a nearby window, the kitchen feels bright and inviting, not cramped. It's a great reminder that a kitchen doesn't need to be big to be functional. Right beside the kitchen is this clever little dining area. The wall-mounted table is a smart space-saving solution that keeps the layout open and uncluttered. It's simple, stylish, and practical. A couple of chairs fit neatly into the space, giving you a comfortable place to enjoy meals without taking up too much room. It's minimal living at its best, efficient and thoughtful. Now stepping into the bedroom, the mood becomes softer and more relaxing. This space is all about comfort and simplicity. The bed sits low, dressed in neutral tones that create a calm and cozy atmosphere. There's minimal furniture, just what you need and nothing more. A couple of bedside tables, maybe a bit of storage, but everything is clean and uncluttered. It's the kind of space that helps you truly unwind. The bathroom continues the same design approach. It's compact, but everything is arranged thoughtfully. There's a small sink, a modern toilet, and a simple shower area, all fitting neatly into the space. Light colors and clean finishes help the room feel fresh and open. Even though it's small, it feels complete and well-designed. And finally, here's a tiny workspace that proves you don't need much to stay productive. A slim wall-mounted desk, a laptop, and a bit of natural light. That's all it takes. It's clean, simple, and distraction-free. Perfect for working, studying, or even just browsing in peace. And just like that, we're back outside, taking one last look at this beautiful tiny home. Simple, modern, and incredibly efficient, this house shows how great design can transform even the smallest space. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing home designs just like this.